This new AI niche is going completely viral on YouTube right now. These talking fruit videos are getting hundreds of thousands to millions of views. And yes, these channels are being monetized. So let me show you right now how you can create exactly these kinds of videos with AI in just a few minutes, completely for free. Let's go. Go to ChatGPT and search under GPTs for fruit avatar. Then start the chat and think of a theme like strawberry in a Gucci tracksuit and hit enter. ChatGPT will now create some text to image prompts for you. Copy the first text to image prompt and then open Meta AI, click on create image, select the 9:16 format and paste in your text to image prompt. Generate. Here is the created image. That already looks pretty good. Download it. Now let's turn the images into videos. Go back to ChatGPT and search for Fruit Movie Maker. Start the chat again. ChatGPT will now ask you to answer 3 questions. For the first question, ChatGPT asks you whether you want to create an image, a video scene, or both. Answer with both. For the second and third questions, you should answer what should happen in your video. For example, I want the strawberry to fight against evil bananas in an area filled with large fruits. They don't talk, but they make an evil facial expression. You will then receive both a text-to-image and a video prompt. Copy the first text-to-image prompt and go back to Meta AI. Upload your reference image, paste in the text-to-image prompt, and make sure the format is again set to 9:16. You'll get images like this one here. That looks great. Download it. Now stay in Meta AI and select the Create Video feature. And copy the matching image to video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in here. Upload your first image from scene 1 that we just created, the format again at 9:16. Generate. You have now created a video like this one here. That looks great. Here are some more results that I created. Subscribe to my channel now for more exciting tutorials and videos about YouTube automation with AI. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Now watch more cool videos and tutorials from me here. Click here on my next video. See you there.